Hi all. So if you're anything like me, you're always trying to maximize your time. So here's one day of meal prep for 5 meals. It's the basics. So pick a day that you're going to sit down and plan at least 5 meals for the week. This week, I'm doing cod and chicken. So Sunday, I will start up, and the first thing I do is chop up my vegetables that can be used either in saute or on top of salads or as a grab and go. And so this is it. Radishes, carrots, and celery all live really well together, and this will last in your refrigerator probably for 5-6 days. The next thing I do, I get a big pan, avocado oil, and I saute 1 to 2 Vidalia onions and 1 to 2 sweet bell peppers, and I will put them in a glass container and put them in the fridge. While that's going on, I will put my chicken and grill it, and I'll prepare my cod, big piece of cod, with pretty simple this week, just some lemon, a little butter, salt and pepper, or if you want to use an oil, you can do that. And I'll broil that in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, pull it out and cover it. The next thing I do is start my rice. Now I'm really addicted to coconut rice right now. And so I get my Instapot, jasmine rice, 2 cups, 3 cups of coconut milk, about a tablespoon, I don't really measure a whole lot of things, of honey, and I try to use local honey, and then some shredded coconut. Stir it all up, hit Instapot, let it go. After the fish has come out, I will roast, cut up in kind of big chunks, sweet potatoes and maybe Yukon or red potatoes, a little olive oil, salt, pepper, maybe some garlic, put it all in a bag, and just roast that in the oven. So Sunday night, we're going to have cod with roasted peppers, and I'll probably have some asparagus. Monday, I'll get that grilled chicken, I'll warm that up lightly, and I always keep baby spinach, arugula, and some fresh greens in the fridge. I'll pull that out, slice up the chicken, put it on top, throw some of my handy vegetables, some blueberries, and goat cheese. Tuesday, I'll take that cod, and now I pull out my bell pepper, and I make a roux. And to make a roux, it's just a little butter and cornstarch or flour, and saute that up. And then I'll add some white wine, some vegetable broth, and maybe a little water, diced up tomatoes, and diced up black olives, and let that all get yummy. Because that's now going with my coconut rice on my fish and a side salad. Tuesday, I will come back and take the chicken. And now, I might make chicken salad, but I think Tuesday I would prefer to have a little Mexican. So I'll take some more of the bell peppers, some cumin, some turmeric, a little chili powder, and usually I just take some fresh salsa and dump it in there with some vegetable broth and water, mix that up, chop up the chicken, put it on there, and serve it on a fajita. Chances are I still have a little leftover chicken because I usually cook, 2 to 4 big chicken breasts. And so I will take that and make that into a chicken salad and pour that over a bed of lettuce for my final day. One day of prep, 5 meals. It just needs a little thought. You've got this. Enjoy.